Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to import coplug position data step by step in Geomodeling software. All products in Geomodeling share the same database and same UI of data importing and exporting. Coplug position data only includes the position and the geometry of the coplugs, but do not include properties such as porosity and permeability. In SBED near-wellbore modeling workflow, to verify the petrophysical properties assigned for property modeling, you can create synthetic coplugs and upscale them to compare it with the real coplug data. Because real coplugs are already upscaled data, they do not reflect the properties in each lamina type. But SBED property modeling requires the properties for each lamina type. So how do I get the input properties for each lamina type? We can compare the synthetic coplug upscaled properties with the real coplugs to estimate and verify the input properties for SBED property modeling. To make the synthetic coplugs the same position as the real coplugs, you can import the coplug position data when you create the synthetic coplugs. To create synthetic coplugs, you can right-click on the bedding realization and then select synthetic coplug. And in this dialog, you can define the plug position randomly, or you can use core data log. You can also use user-defined, and then here we have a button to import the coplug position data. You can see here is the file type. It's called coplug ASCII file, and then here is the file example. You can see in the coplug file it contains the X, Y, Z, radius, length, and the type for the coplug, and you can select the coplug position data file and use the preview to preview the plug file. So in this file we have the information for X, Y, TVD, radius, length, type for each coplug, and then you can click open to open the file. Then all the information will be imported and listed in this spreadsheet. So you can see there are 73 coplugs in total, and the position for each coplug has been imported in terms of X, Y, TVD, and for dimension the radius length has been imported, and also we have imported the type for each coplug, and then you can click OK. Then that will generate the SBED coplug set. So this is the synthetic coplug I just created. Then you can display it on the well section window. So in that coplug file, the coplug position is the same as the real coplugs, so that when I create this synthetic coplug, the position will be exactly the same as the real coplugs. Then when we upscale this coplug set afterwards, you can compare the upscaling results with the real coplug properties, including the porosity and permeability, to verify if the petrophysical properties assigned for the lamina type is reasonable or not. So then you can zoom into this area to compare the synthetic coplugs with the real coplug data. You can see the red circle represents the synthetic coplugs, and this black line indicates the real coplug data. And you can see they are at exactly the same location. So this is the way that you can QC the synthetic coplug if the position is imported correctly or not. And you can also QC it by right-clicking on the coplug set and select spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, you can see the exact value for the X, Y, TVD diameter length, and also the type for each coplug data. And one thing you need to pay attention to is here we use TVD to import the core plug position data. So you need to make sure in your original plug file you have the TVD in terms of the depth data. This is the end of the video of importing core plug position data. If you have any question, please send a message to support@geomodeling.com. Thanks for watching.